हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ द लेसन प्लान नंबर 5। हमने अपनी प्रीलिमिनरी डिटेल्स लिखनी होती है, pupil, teacher, roll number, class, subject, date, topic and time. The topic for today is photosynthesis. The journal objectives are to create interest in students, to study the subject biological science, to develop scientific attitude among students, to develop a technical and instrumental approach to solve problems. Specific objectives are knowledge. The student will be able to get knowledge about the process of photosynthesis. Understanding. The student will be able to understand the topic photosynthesis. Application. The students will be able to get information about the process of photosynthesis. Skills. The students will know the raw materials used for photosynthesis. Teaching aids. The journal teaching aids are blackboard, chalk, duster, a well-equipped classroom. Specific teaching aids are textbook, smart class, and flashcards. Previous knowledge testing. The questions are: what do you eat? Chapati, fruits, vegetable. Where do we get fruits and vegetables? Plants. So we get food from plants. Yes, ma'am. Where do plants get their food from? They make their own food. How do plants make their own food? Well, students, today we'll study about the topic photosynthesis. This is the announcement of topic, presentation, content, pupil teacher activity, the pupil activity, and the instructional work. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food in the presence of light, water, and CO2 and release oxygen. In photosynthesis, the inorganic substances are converted into organic substances. The plants which make their own food are called autotroph. What are the basic requirements of photosynthesis? The components which are required for the process are called raw material. Firstly, we need sunlight. Sunlight is the source of energy for photosynthesis. Light is needed for the light reaction in plants. It is trapped by chlorophyll, which is present in chloroplast of the plant. Another raw material is CO2, which is absorbed by stomata. Stomata has two guard cells and a stomatal pore from where the gaseous exchange take place. CO2 is fixed to carbohydrates, which is the glucose. Stomata are mostly present on the underside, which is the lower side, and are protected by the guard cells. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment which helps the plant to absorb light energy, and it is contained in thylakoid membrane in the chloroplast. Water. Water is one of the important reactants of the process of photosynthesis. 6 molecules of water combine with 6 molecules of carbon dioxide to form glucose. The water also splits into oxygen as a byproduct. The water is supplied to the whole plant by the process of transpiration pull, and the H positive ions participate in oxidative phosphorylation. Process of photosynthesis. The plants take CO2 from the atmosphere through stomata and water from the soil with the help of the roots. They get sunlight and then convert it into C6H12O6, which is the glucose and oxygen. The reaction is 6CO2 plus 6H2O forms C6H12O6 plus 6 molecule of oxygen. Recapitulation questions are: what is photosynthesis? Describe the reaction. What is chloroplast? Where it is present? What are the requirements of photosynthesis? The homework question is: